Viz checks. Dinosaurs, players. Damn, I haven't done this in a while, boys. What the fuck? Distance. Items? Carnivores. Damn, I haven't done this shit in forever, brothers. Holy fuck. I forgot what the fuck how to do all this shit, boys. But fuck it, homie. Let's do that shit. I don't give a fuck, to the homie. I don't give a fuck. Get into it, of course, homie. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna fuck everybody's mother tonight, homie. Can't wait. I can't wait. I feel like just playing something chill, just something to fuck around on. Not too serious, but serious at the same time. Don't have to worry about getting banned every 2 seconds. I'm probably gonna do this every now and then. Fuck it. ARK is pretty fun, man. ARK is pretty fun. I was missing it. Oh, look, someone's on a PT sucking my penis. Excuse me. Excuse me, my friends. My friends, can you guys hear me today? Excuse me, my friends. Can you guys hear me? Excuse me. My friend. Can you hear me? Can you hear me today? Can you hear me, homie? Homie. Hey, dog. Is a homie okay? Hey, kick it, bro. Yo, guys, chill. Yo, why are you guys so fucking hostile? Yo, chill! I'm naked, you fucking bitch. What are you doing? Yo, dog, can you guys... Yo, chill, pussy! I'ma fuck your bitch! Oh, fuck these guys, bro. I'm out. Oh, shit. Oh shit, look at this. Dude, what the fuck? Oh. Yo. Gotta love ESP, bro. Look at this. I came up. Look at all that stuff. Oh! Okay. That's homie.
Keep on grinding till the morn, If you're sleeping on me, keep on snoring, I want it all before I'm gone. I want it all before I'm gone, I am not somebody you can put inside a box, and I am not somebody who will let you take my spot. It's written on my face, to be honest, either you got it or don't. But if you got a dream and a vision, put it in your mind that you gotta go out and get it. People try to stop you, it's so hard in the beginning, but you said that you a winner, so keep going, ain't no quitting. At this moment in time, I'm not just spitting lyrics, I'm giving you the words that put me in this position. Some people hear and some people listen. If you wanna be the best, then you gotta learn the difference. I want it all before I'm gone,